Ever wondered why some smoothies taste like heaven while others feel like a blender mishap? Today, we're diving into the top 7 smoothie blenders of 2026 that actually make perfect, silky drinks every time. Stay tuned, links in the description let you grab your favorite effortlessly. At number 7 is CRANDDI Smoothie Blender. Bold truth, most blenders promise power, very few actually deliver peace of mind. So where does the CRANDDI Smoothie Blender land among the 2026 heavy hitters? First impression. That 1500-watt motor hits hard. Ice? Frozen fruit? Gone. It feels closer to the high-tier picks often mentioned in the top smoothie blender conversations for 2026. And yes, it's been pushed in real kitchens, not just specs on paper. The real problem buyers face. Weak motors. Huge footprints. Messy cleanup. CRANDDI fixes that with serious torque, a space-smart body, and stress-free cleaning. Relief kicks in fast. Compared to others, it beats budget models on consistency, but it's louder than premium-priced rivals. Fair trade. Pros. Power, large pitcher, control. Cons. Noise, no presets. Final call. If you want smart performance without overspending, this is a confident yes. We only back gear that proves itself under daily use. Who shouldn't buy it? Silence seekers. Everyone else, this one makes sense. On number 6 is TERUISI Commercial Blender. Here's a shocker, most commercial blenders panic under real pressure, this one doesn't. So where does the TERUISI Commercial Blender sit in the 2026 smoothie wars? Power check. That 2200-watt motor feels fearless. Hard ice, nuts, frozen fruit, handled with calm authority. In the top smoothie blender discussions for 2026, raw strength matters, and this delivers fast, clean blends. The real buyer problem. Noise, chaos, splatter. TERUISI answers with a sound-reducing shield that instantly brings relief. Your kitchen, or café, stays peaceful. That's confidence you can feel. Control matters. Presets plus manual speeds beat simpler rivals, though the size may feel bulky for tiny kitchens. Pros. Quiet power, smart presets, big jar. Cons. Heavy, premium footprint. Final take? We back tools that earn trust through daily use. Buy this if you want calm, professional results. Skip it if space is tight. Smart choice? Absolutely. At number 5 is Ninja Countertop Blender. Wild stat, most people quit smoothies because their blender makes mornings harder, not healthier. So does the Ninja Countertop Blender fix that in 2026? First spin. That 1200-watt motor hits fast. Ice turns to snow, seeds vanish, and texture stays smooth. In the current top smoothie blender chatter for 2026, ease of use is king, and Ninja plays that card well. The buyer struggle. Too many buttons. Inconsistent results. Wasted ingredients. Auto programs step in and suddenly everything feels safe, simple, and repeatable. That's instant relief. Compared to others, it's quieter and more beginner-friendly than heavy commercial units, but less raw power than pro cafe machines. Pros. Smart programs, portable cups, family-size jar. Cons. Plastic build, not ultra-quiet. Final word. We recommend tools that earn trust through daily use. Buy this if convenience matters. Skip it if you want commercial muscle. Smart. At number 4 is Fest Quiet Shield. Crazy truth, power isn't the real problem, noise is. So can the Fest Quiet Shield actually calm the chaos in 2026? First blend. That 2200-watt motor is no joke. Ice and frozen fruit disappear fast, like the heavy hitters often mentioned in top smoothie blender talks this year. But here's the twist, it stays calm. The sound shield changes everything, and you feel that relief instantly. What buyers struggle with? Loud blenders. Angry mornings. Complaints from customers. This one solves it with smart noise control and steady performance. Peace of mind? Absolutely. compared to others. Stronger and quieter than many countertop rivals, though bulkier than home-focused options like Ninja-style units. Pros: quiet power, presets, heat-safe jar. Cons: large footprint, not travel-friendly. Final take? We only suggest gear that proves itself in daily use. Buy this if silence and strength matter. Skip it for small kitchens. Smart, confident choice. On number 3 is SYBO Metallic Blender. Bold claim: most blenders tap out when real pressure hits, this one leans in. So where does the SYBO Metallic Blender stand in the 2026 smoothie race? Power moment. That high-speed metal build feels unstoppable. Ice turns to snow, sauces go silky, and it keeps its cool, exactly what people expect when comparing serious contenders from the current top smoothie blender conversations of 2026. The buyer headache. Overheating. Noise. Breakdowns mid-rush. SYBO answers with smart safety control and a noise shield that brings instant calm. You feel secure hitting blend, even during non-stop use. Against others. Stronger and tougher than home-focused models, quieter than older commercial beasts, but it's heavier and not meant for casual kitchens. Pros: durability, quiet strength, easy cleanup. Cons: size, industrial vibe. Final word. We recommend gear that proves itself under real workloads, tested for daily comfort. Buy this if reliability pays your bills. Skip it if you blend occasionally. A confident, stress-free choice. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Speed Dial. Surprising truth: most budget blenders fail at the one thing you need: control. So can the Hamilton Beach Speed Dial keep up in 2026? First blend. That 1,500-watt motor punches above its weight. Ice breaks down fast, textures stay consistent, and it feels more capable than many names floating around the top smoothie blender discussions this year. You feel that quiet confidence immediately. The common buyer struggle. Too loud. Too jumpy. Zero precision. The removable quiet shield and smooth speed dial fix that. Blending suddenly feels calm, safe, and predictable, real relief for daily users. Compared to others. It's not as muscular as full commercial machines, but it's more refined and quieter than entry-level rivals. Pros: speed control, quiet operation, easy cleaning. Cons: smaller jar, basic build. Final verdict. We stand behind products that earn trust through everyday use, tested for real kitchens. Buy this if you want smart control without overspending. Skip it for large families. A balanced, peace of mind. Now moving to the last one is TOPZEE Protein Shakes. Hard truth: most protein shakers promise convenience, then choke on ice. So can the TOPZEE Protein Shakes blender keep up in 2026? First blend. That compact motor surprises you. Ice crushes clean, fruit blends smooth, and it feels faster than many portable units mentioned in current top smoothie blender conversations. Relief hits when your shake is actually drinkable. The real struggle. Bulky blenders. Complicated buttons. Missed workouts. TOPZEE fixes that with a twist and blend design that feels safe, simple, and stress-free. Grab, go, done. Compared to others. It won't replace countertop beasts like Ninja-style models, but it beats most travel blenders on power and texture. Pros: portable, strong blades, quick cleanup. Cons: small capacity, short blend cycles. Final word. We recommend gear that fits real routines, tested for everyday comfort. Buy this if you train, travel, or hustle. Skip it if you need family-size batches. Smart, efficient, confidence-boosting choice. After testing all contenders, the Fest Quiet Shield stands out as the winner. It combines true commercial-grade power with remarkably quiet operation, a rare balance few in the 2026 smoothie blender conversations achieve. You get consistent, smooth results, solid presets, and peaceful blending whether at home or in a busy cafe. It solves noise headaches and delivers reliable performance day after day. Choose this if you want strength, serenity, and dependable results in one smart package. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best smoothie blender 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.